Adjectives describing apples. Red, red. This apple is red and juicy. Sour, sour. It tastes a bit sour. Crisp, crisp. I like apples that are crisp. Rotten, rotten. That apple is rotten. Don't eat it. Fresh, fresh. These apples are fresh from the farm. Juicy, juicy. It's so juicy and sweet. Shiny, shiny. The apple looks shiny and clean. Green, green. I prefer green apples. Soft, soft. This one is too soft for me. Delicious, delicious. What a delicious apple. More practice. Say the sentences yourself and speak out loud. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So check out my Patreon page. Download worksheets and things for your English needs. Support me there so I can support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.